Had a great weekend. Equity markets held really well last week. All right, can't say the same for Forex, but we'll go over the market. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you're ready to trade this week. All right, let's go over the markets. All right, so good news. Equity markets are holding firm. The S&P is holding. We do have new support and resistance on three of the indexes. So buy signal here, guys. Good price action. All right, we'll look this week to hopefully break through near-term resistance here and all-time highs right here on the S&P. So good price action, right? We got a good V going here, right here. Good price action on the S&P. All right, so we look good. On Friday, we close up. All right, so the Dow closed up on Friday, right here. Friday, S&P was down, NASDAQ was down, just slightly down on the S&P. A little more down on the NASDAQ, and the IWM was down, slightly down. The Dow, and we'll take a look at the big picture in a minute. Dow is just holding firm right here. All right, buy signal here. Again, we'll look to break through, hopefully this week, near-term resistance there on the Dow. All right, VIX is down. All right, VIX is at 1857. That's good. So we got low volatility. We need the VIX to keep moving lower here. All right, but 1857, that's good for the VIX. The IWM, the Russell, right, will look to break through resistance here this week. NASDAQ and 7 stocks. All right, buy signal here looks really good, guys. Pull back a bit, but really good price action. We'll look to break through that resistance right here this week, hopefully. All right, hopefully. We're in June, right? So we'll see if June, July can hold. We have a long way to go, right? All right, so June, July, August, September, those are your most difficult months. But guess what? We've had a correction already. All right, so just because seasonality, right, doesn't pan out really good for equities, because we've had that sell-off, that correction already, we might get a move higher for the summer months. We'll see. Too early to tell. Or at a minimum, just consolidate. Okay? All right. Meta, Facebook, buy signal here, holding firm right here. All right. Microsoft, so your Max 7s right here. Microsoft broke resistance, right? Good resistance right here. And it's slowly breaking out to the upside. Apple's still struggling right here, right? But at least it's finding support right here on Apple, right? Google holding right here, buy signal here. Green candles need to move higher here. So the Max 7s are holding. Amazon, buy signal here, holding. Guys, this is really good, right? The fact that the Max 7s are moving higher and holding, really, really good for the equity markets. Okay. NVIDIA, buy signal here, and NVIDIA closed at 135. Guys, if we get above 150, very, very bullish for NVIDIA. Remember, NVIDIA came from a low of 88. All right. So that's a big move higher. 88 to now 135. Keep an eye on 150. And then Tesla. Tesla's trading nicely, guys. Tesla made a low during the correction at 218, trading at 346, and keeps moving higher in the markup phase. All green candles broke resistance here. Buy signal, right? The Max 7s are looking really good. Okay. Dow, guys, on the daily time frame again, right? This is your larger chart. Say, take a better look. All right, buy signal here with a bit of a pullback. We'll look to challenge resistance here on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame holding firm. Monthly time frame, right? Green candle here for last month. We'll see how it opens tomorrow. Okay. On the S&P, all right, S&P, good price action. right? We need to break through near-term resistance right here and then test the all-time highs on the S&P. Beautiful recovery here. Nice V, perfect V. We hope it does something like this. Previous V here, all right? Right? Mark down, mark up. Hopefully we break through that resistance and keep running. The market looks good, guys. Really does. Okay. S&P on the weekly time frame, green candles here. This is how close we are to the all-time highs right here. All right. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, you guys should be in this market. All right. Use your systems. Trade accordingly, though. Okay. S&P on the monthly time frame. This is how close we are. All right, so looks good. NASDAQ on the daily time frame, NASDAQ daily buy signal here. Good price action. Again, look how low we came, guys, all the way from the low here, and we keep moving higher. We need to break through resistance right here and keep moving higher. NASDAQ on the weekly time frame, green candles here. Here's the all-time highs right here. Nice channel forming here. Previous buy signals did really well, and we need to break through resistance there. NASDAQ on the monthly time frame, nice recovery here. Look how close we are. And the Russell, right, holding here. All right, on the daily, weekly, monthly here. Bitcoin, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin retrace, guys. You guys know we had a big resistance here at 107. All right, so 107. Bitcoin, our buy signal was here. Most recent buy signal at, what was it, 94. We're trading at 105. We are back below resistance. That is a concern. Now, Bitcoin is up right now. It made a low of 103, 104, trading at 105, 842 right now. All right, the goal right now is for Bitcoin to get back above resistance and keep going.